Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch-in. So this is going to be my second box opening for the night. This is a watchgang watch I received after spinning the tier 3 or wheel 3 from Watchgang's Wheel of Watches. Let us open this bad boy up and see what you got. I still have that Charles Hutton on wrist from my last box opening. Obviously it's not signed or anything, but this was my Watchgang Black membership watch for this month. Let's take a look. Now in the past, when I've spun the wheel, I've spun the lower tier wheels, the cheaper ones, and this time I just saved up points from referrals and from my subscription renewals and everything. Sorry, I went blank there for a second. And I saved up enough to spin a higher wheel and get something that I liked a little bit more. Now the wheel 3, tier 3 wheel costs 650 points to spin. And if you were to actually spend the money and buy those points outright, it would cost you $285. Now, like I said, I used points that I had earned from referrals and subscription renewals. So essentially I got this for free. Now this is an Audaz, so bad with that. So this is the Audaz Sea Ranger. This model number is ADZ 2050-03. Now if you guys remember a while back, a friend sent me a watch from Audaz that they had actually purchased off Kickstarter. It was one that I was looking at on Kickstarter myself. So I really liked the quality of that piece. It was a little bit larger than what I normally would have worn, and this one I think is a little bit smaller. Will probably fit my wrist size a little bit better. Let's see if I can open it up with all the plastic still on. I don't want to waste your time ripping all the plastics off, but I really like the watch from them. So when I had a chance to get a different model on the wheel, I figured I would go for it because I knew I liked the quality of it. And this one is just kind of a simple, clean, classic look. And I dig it. Now, this one is an automatic movement. I believe it's got a Seiko NH35. I don't think, no display case back or anything on it. But it does have a pretty cool picture etched into the, cut into the case back. 200 meter water resistant, stainless steel. I used to not like the two-tone bezels, but they really have grown over me. They really have grown on me over time. So, like I said, this one would have been, $285 worth of points if I bought them. I essentially got it for free from all my referrals and everything. And I dig it, so I'm happy with it. Now, I don't know all the specs and the particulars on it just yet, so I'll do my usual. I'll wear it, give you guys my thoughts on when I start doing some follow-up reviews. There are so many of them. But let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. And make sure you check the notes for the video. Click through. There's discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, Ballast, all kinds of stuff. And I'll probably link to the other Audaz watch that Derek let me borrow so I could check out. So let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.